Stampers. I'm Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com, coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Today I am going to feature the Birthday Bonanza, or this is actually called the Bonanza Buddies, that is part of the Birthday Bonanza suite of products in our Spring Mini catalog. I have a moving card for you, and it is stinking adorable. I'm also going to tell you all the details about my newest kit class using the Birthday Bonanza suite of products. I have some fabulous cards lined up in my partnership with Ashley Pfeiffer from Canada. We collaborate together to bring you this kit class every month. So let's flip the camera around so I can give you all the details and show you how to make this adorable moving card. The first thing I like to do is bring in my cardstock layers here. So this is actually a pocket card. We have 4 1/4 by 11, and then I've scored it at 5 1/2 and 9 1/2. And I often get asked, where do I get the ideas from my cards? Well, I'm on the internet quite a bit, and I'm searching around for ideas, and then I may take a layout and change it to different paper and different stamps, or something like that. This particular card came to me from one of my team members, Christine. She sent it to me in a swap, and I thought it was just adorable. I'm just going to add a little element to it because I wanted to make you guys a moving card, and that's where I got the idea from. So once you have these scored, you're going to pull this panel back like this, and then we are going to take a piece of Bermuda Bay, and this particular piece is 4 by 2 3/4. And then I've got a piece of Designer Series paper here that is 2 1/2 by 3 3/4, and we're just going to add this to our layer. So this is a really easy card, and I think it always packs a big punch because people are mesmerized by pocket cards. They're cute, they're simple, anybody can make them. I hope you'll give this a try. There we go. Now, I am using the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper. As part of this kit class that I told you I'd tell you about, you get a 1/2 pack of this cut to 6 by 6, and it has all these coordinating colors that you can use with it. It's really been a lot of fun to create with this. All right, the next thing we're going to do here is bring this little panel in, and we're going to add it to the front of our basic black. And I just loved Christine's card and how that black popped, and we've got black in the Designer Series paper, which I thought matched it so nicely. And then this little piece right here, we have a piece of the Designer Series paper with the lions on one side and the Crushed Curry Daffodil Delight on the other. This is 1 1/4 by 4. Make sure when you're using liquid glue on Designer Series paper that you're not squeezing out too much, because it can raise the paper and give you what looks like little worms. Yeah, it's not real attractive. So less is better with Designer Series paper. We're just going to put that right there. Now I'm going to grab my tear and tape. And the reason why I'm using tear and tape is because when you fold something like this, it always wants to pop back up. And when you use tear and tape, that's a really strong adhesive that ensures that this will not pop back up. So I'm going to add some tear and tape here. Now it's funny too, because tear and tape is part of the items that are in this kit class for the month of February to go with the Birthday Bonanza suite. You get a pack of our ruched Daffodil Delight ribbon, a whole roll of tear and tape. You're going to get a whole pack of acetate boxes, and I'll show you some really cute projects with those. And the 6 by 6 Designer Series paper that I'm using here. Okay, now I don't want to use tear and tape on the inside of my card. You certainly could if you wanted to, but I find that it's a little wider than I need. So I'm going, well, let's put our glue on the shorter panel here. That's going to be safer. And I'm just running it really close to the edge. And then we're going to close that up. You want to make sure that you're not taking up too much space on the sides here so that your insert panel can go in, because this is a pocket for your card. And that's where this comes in. This piece is Bermuda Bay, and it is 3.5 by 5 1/8, and then I've got a piece of Whisper White that's 3 1/4 by 4 7/8. Now we're going to do a little stamping here. I'm going to bring in my Memento black ink pad. And I'm going to stamp the Let's Celebrate You right up there at the top. Then I'm going to bring in my Grapefruit Grove, and I just decided I wanted a little decoration on the inside of this card. So if I can find my presents, where are they? I thought I mounted them. Hang on just a second. I did. Where did, oh, here they are. Whew. Okay, I'm going to take one of these presents. These are just squares, and you could certainly stack them if you wanted to. Here, let's do this one first. I'm going to grab some Coastal Cabana. That's one of the coordinating colors with this designer series paper. And I'm going to stamp that right here. And then I've got my Grapefruit Grove, and I'll stamp that. Let's put that right there. And then we have some really cute bows. I'm going to do this one right here. This is what happens when you go to improvise. You never know what's going to happen. Oh, doesn't that look cute? I think that's just adorable. That'll work perfect. I'm going to set this right on here so I don't lose it. I have to clean it later. Okay. Now we've got this done. We need a way, I want to put a hole in the top of this. So I'm going to bring in my detailed trio punch. You have 3 different options here. And I'm going to do this little option right here. And that gives us just a nice little hole. And we're going to add some of this ruched ribbon into that hole. And that's going to kind of look like it's what you pull on to get your card out. So I like to come in from the back when I do this type of a, I don't know, ribbon layer or whatever you want to call it. I'm kind of at a loss for words here. And then you just pop it back through the loop. Pop your ends back through the loop there. Look, my fingers are so dirty. As normal. She said, Kelly, that's just normal. And I'm going to trim this down. There we go. And now I'm going to add this to my Bermuda Bay layer. Now, I could have put that hole through both of these, but I kind of thought this was cool, and this is the way Christine did it, and I thought, oh, that's neat. See, that's where we get these ideas from, is by sharing different ideas. Okay, so here is our cute little pocket card, and you can put your message in there if you wanted to. You could attach a gift card with some glue dots. Just pops right down in here. And now I wanted to do my moving part on here. So we're going to grab a scrap of Whisper White. I'm going to grab my Smoky Slate ink and my little koala bear. If you watched one of my videos recently, I was calling this a panda. Apparently, I'm a little bear illiterate. It happens. Okay, and we've got the cute little face for our koala bear, not panda. Pandas are black and white. I know this about pandas. Look at how cute his little face is. Isn't that just adorable? Okay, there's a die in the set of dies that looks like a mouse, but this is your koala bear right here. I'm going to take this over to my Big Shot, and I'll be right back. And here's our cute little koala bear. Isn't he just adorable? Put this back so I don't lose it. And then what I've got here is a little wobbling mechanism. These are so fun. And I'm going to share a link on my blog. So you're going to go to www.astampabove.com. This video is posted on February 7th. And if you're watching this on YouTube, if you look right below the video on your phone, there's a little arrow, just a tiny little arrow. If you click that, it's going to open up a place where you can click and it says show more. The link to this particular blog post is right under that video. If you're on YouTube on any other type of device, you're going to see the show more. When you click that, it opens up all the links to my online store, to my blog, the exact post that I'm going to have this in. So you don't have to go to my blog and scroll through pages and pages till you find it. So there's just a little tip for you on how to find things. When I post something, there's always a direct blog link back to my blog, to that exact post under the YouTube video. Okay, look at how cute that is. Well, it's not cute, that's kind of ugly. But we're going to take this little dude and we're going to put him right on the front of this card. Look at how cute he is. Do you guys love that? I love these things. I think they're adorable. And as soon as I saw all the little creatures in the stamp set, I immediately thought of wobblers. Yeah, because who wouldn't want to have that? Now, here's the wobblers that I ordered. I got these on Amazon. And again, on my blog, you are going to find a link to these, or at least if I can't find the link, I'll put a picture so you know what to get. There are a couple different sizes of wobbles. There's some bigger ones. These are the smaller ones. And I found that the bigger ones don't really fit a lot. These smaller ones work better. You get more wobble action out of them. Woohoo! Wobble action. So what do you guys think? Is this not adorable? I love pocket cards. And I thought Christine did a great job on all her color combinations here. All I did was add this little guy. Okay, what do you get with the kit class for February? My kit classes, well, I should say Ashley's and I kit classes, our kit classes have been highly popular. People are loving them. Now, you have the option to add on this bundle for $45. If you already have the bundle, you don't have to add it, but you will need the stamp set and the dies to be able to make the cards in the class. Included in the kit is going to be half of a pack of the designer series paper. So you're going to get 4 6x6 sheets of each pattern or each page. This is one, this is the front and the back, front and the back. You're going to get 4 of these, 4 of these, 4 of these, 4 of these, okay? Half a pack, 6x6 of the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper. You're going to get a full roll of tear and tape. And I've also got a bonus project at the end of the online class in the PDF file that is going to show you some cute ideas on how to make these little gift card holders, okay, with this suite of products. And then I have a humongous, and I mean this is not even all of them, a humongous stack of swap cards that I'm going to share also in a video at the end of the PDF file in this kit class. So you get all of that when you order this kit class. Also included is an entire pack of our acetate card boxes. That's what those little gift card holders are made out of. Or I love to think of this as if you made up a set of 4 or 6 of these with envelopes and put it in one of the acetate boxes, wrap a belly band around it, put one of the little wobblers on the front of the box, and give this to somebody as a gift. Young moms who have smaller kids absolutely adore gifts like that. So it's a great gift idea. You're going to get 10 acetate boxes. When you cut them in half, they will make 20 gift card holders like I just showed you, or you can use the box as a whole to put cards in and gift them to people. Also included in the class is the Daffodil Delight ruched ribbon that we used on the card. And you're going to get a packet of cardstock that is cut and scored for you to make 8 cards. There are 4 different designs. I designed 2, Ashley designs 2. You get to make 2 of each of those for a total of 8 cards. This all comes to you via priority mail. And let's see, what are my dates? I forgot to write those down. I am going to be taking orders for this kit until the 14th, February 14th, Valentine's Day. I'm going to take orders for the kit until that date. I usually make up some extras, so if you happen to miss that by a little bit, if the ability to order it is still in my online class tab on my blog, you can still order it because I've made up some extras of the cardstock pack. Cardstock pack. So I'm taking orders through the 14th, and then I have to order all the supplies, get them here, get them all packaged up, get the cardstock all cut and scored. And I'm hoping to have it out in the mail on the 21st of February. So I want you to know the timeline so you're not going, where is my stuff? You will get the PDF file by Valentine's Day, February 14th. I will be emailing that to you, so you'll have that ahead of time. This is going to be a fantastic class. I've got a couple fun folds that I'm doing. I've seen the cards that Ashley's designed for this class. They are stinking adorable. Plus, there's a blog hop. I will have a link on my blog where you can click and go to Ashley's blog and see another project made with this suite. So you're not only going to have this for an idea, you're going to have 4 more cards in the kit class, plus Ashley's blog hop idea. We're going to do a little blog hop that day just between her and I. Now, if you're in Canada, you definitely want to place the kit order with Ashley. If you're in the United States, you're going to place the kit order with me. And if you're not in either one of those countries, I'm so sorry that we can't do business across international lines with product. You will, if you're outside of the country, perhaps you would like to look at my other online classes. They say available globally if I am able to do that. And they are a PDF file with exclusive videos. And again, exclusive videos for all the projects that Ashley and I have for this kit class. So you're going to love, love, love this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Click up here to head over to my blog where you can find the link to the blog hop. Go see what Ashley made. She's got a shaker card and it's going to make you giggle. It's so stinking cute. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down here. And if you could, please click that bell. On YouTube, you can click a bell, and that's helpful. And it'll also give you a notification then when I have a new video released. So you definitely want to do that. Head over to my blog. You're going to find all the details. You're going to fill out a form to order this kit. I'm going to then send you a PayPal invoice that you have to pay. And once you pay that invoice, then you are on the list for me to get a kit made for you. Okay, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Bye-bye.